Right. So it says rewrite the following code so it uses a repeat until instead of the while loop. Remember that a while loop checks the condition first, whereas repeat loops will always carry out the code first. So a while loop checks a condition. If that condition's not met, then it does it, whereas a repeat will do it no matter what. It will always run the code once. So what we've got here is I'm getting the input. If it's not equal to end, I'm going to ask them again. All right. What I've done here is I've taken the input. All right. Then if it's not equal to end, then I output the response. But it's going to keep asking me that until the responses end. So generally speaking, if you look up here, this will always need to be on the until. If you get asked to change loops, that condition is generally speaking always going to be at the until. Yes?
Would it be fine if you used booleans? So you said that...
You mean selection, like you did an if and then?
Yeah.
Yes, some people, that is another way of doing it. So what you could do technically is saying, if response is not equal to end, then keep getting a response until
it's true.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
Yeah, some people will have done that as their answer. So what some people may have done, let me just rewrite that for you. Alright. Some people would have said, they would have got the response first. This is an alternative way of doing it. Alright, is user input. Yeah? So some people may have done it that way and said, if response not equal to end, then repeat until response equals end, and then it will have asked you, in fact it would have put response, actually let's go for your output first, output invalid, try again, something like that, and then get your response there. Bad spelling there, sorry, I'm trying to rush this. Does that make sense? So you could have done it that way as well. Alright? Generally speaking, you get your mark for getting your until. You get your mark for checking your correct boolean if it's not equal to end. You get a mark for outputting the response because it does ask that. So your output would probably be here. You also get your mark for getting your input as well. Alright? So they're your 4 marks on that.